2, 1.
Good morning, it's Al again. The Doodah Man, I'm the Plant Man, the Penny Guy, and also we came today out to this guy's farm, and it was Terry who brought us, a group of us, including my wife and a couple other people, and we're looking at chickens, and I talked to them. So check this out.
This could be a really short video.
It's buck 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 buck. Look, there's a rooster. See him?
Uh-huh.
Buck 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 buck. He's like, what are you doing? See how he's giving me the stink eye, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
Okay, bird brain.
it's like to
Buck 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 buck.
the ones in the barn. They're loud.
It's okay.
Come on. Oh, let's get you talking to the ones in the barn.
Okay, what, like this?
Yeah.
Buck 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 buck. Buck 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 buck. Buck 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 buck. Buck buck buck.
Let's go in there and do that.
He's got 2 tractors.
Hey, go in there and talk to him.
What do you want me to do?
Go in there and talk to him.
Oh, I think we should do the. Look, he's got a big water trough.